Small package came in today. So I guess we're going to have an unboxing. Let's see what we have in here. Music CD. Now, y'all know I just ordered a new wheel to be made. I'm ordering one wheel a week, but these came early. These are the wheel locks. We get one for each wheel and the lug right there. And this right here are the Centric rings, the hub rings. And these are basically for to put on the hubs of your car, and it prevents vibration with aftermarket wheels. Now let me show you what it looks like on the inside. You get 4 of them. Now these little rings, they go on the hubs of your car because aftermarket rims, they usually have a bigger hub opening, so you can use them on different cars. Well, you know, certain cars have certain size hubs. In my case, this one for the 2000 Mercury Grand Marquis Town Car and Crown Vic, theirs is it's a 7.0 hub. So that will go over the hub, and the hub for the wheel is 7.3, so it gets wider. And what that does is it centers the wheel on the lugs, so there's no vibration. Everything is lined up perfectly, and you won't have any issues with a crappy ride or anything like that. Now I went and got aluminum ones. They sell them as plastic too. Do not get the plastic ones. They'll eventually deteriorate and you'll have vibration. Just get the metal ones, and they'll last the life of the car. And that's from Wheel Connect and Wheel Accessories. Good company right here. I always use their Centric rings. And that's it. A nice big package is coming later this week. Y'all know what it is. So I'll see you then. Until next video.